I have been working on the issue of heavy school bags in India since last 2 years. I have covered almost all the aspects of this problem and suggested various measures to lighten the heavy load of school bag. The present video deals with the textbook load, which is the most important aspect here. After watching this video, you will come to know that it is possible to reduce more than 65% of the textbook load that is being carried today. Karthik, a student of class 9 who has recently passed his class 8 examination in March 2016, is seen in the video performing this task.
Material required. Please see the material arranged on the table. We are using here NCERT Science book for class 7. Remove the front and back cover page of the textbook with the help of a blade cutter. Small kids should not be allowed to handle blade cutter. Now loosen the staples with a stapler, initially from the back side of the book and then from the front one. Take every precaution while removing the staples and cutting the book with a blade cutter so as to prevent any injury. Pull out the staples with a plier. Children should not be allowed to perform this task on their own. First 4 lessons will comprise our booklet number 1, so cut the textbook down the length of the page at the end of the 4th lesson. Also cut it at the end of the 9th and 14th lesson so as to have 4 bunches for 4 booklets. Please note that 9th lesson ends on page number 107 and 10th lesson starts on page number 108, that is right and left sides of the same page. We need to replace these 2 pages by their photocopies. Place the bunch of 4 lessons on a century board or duplex sheet of 130 to 150 GSM. Mark the size and cut the 2 cover pages. Then mark the size of the book on a JK copier paper sheet. Take one more JK copier paper along with the photocopies of 4 pages from lessons for booklet number 2, 3 and 4. Also take photocopies of 2 index pages for every booklet. For mathematics, the photocopies of answer pages for different lessons be attached at the end of respective booklets. Cut all these pages to the size of the booklet. Now make a bunch for booklet number 1. It consists of the front cover page followed by a JK copier paper. Then comes a bunch of 4 lessons followed by photocopies of 2 index pages. It is followed by a JK copier paper. At the end is a back cover page. For booklet number 1, we don't need a photocopy of any page from the lessons. Staple the bunch. Draw a line so as to have 2 cm left margin on the booklet. Apply an adhesive tape along the line drawn. Then apply 2 stickers, one for the booklet number and another for the contents of the given booklet. Take one JK copier paper, mark its center and punch 2 holes with a punching machine. Place this punched sheet on the booklet and make 2 holes using a nail and hammer. Make the holes more clear for a plastic file clip to pass through it easily. Also punch 2 holes on the front and back cover page cut from the textbook. In a similar way, prepare other 3 booklets. Now arrange the 4 booklets in a serial order and bind them together along with the cover pages using a plastic file clip. Every time you need carry only one such booklet to the school from which the lesson is to be taught. The other 3 booklets will be left at home. We have appealed to the central and state governments to give directives to the publishers to publish the textbooks in this form. This way you can reduce the textbook load by more than 65%.
Please seek the permission from school principal before implementing this novel idea. Such booklets can be prepared at some Xerox center, bookbinding shop or even at home. If this is done at home, the cost for 4 booklets of a given subject is around ₹30. It is high time we realize the damage such heavy school bags can cause to the spine health of school children and take some urgent measures to minimize their school bag burden. For additional information, please read the description given here while publishing this video. Thank you.